In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Annotations. We'll work inside StockCharts ACP, and by the end, you'll be comfortable marking up any chart with clean, professional notes and drawings. Start by loading a chart in StockCharts ACP. Pick the symbol and time frame you want to analyze, so you're looking at the exact price action you plan to annotate. When your chart is ready, look to the Chart Design panel and click the pencil and ruler Annotate icon. That opens the Annotations panel, which organizes everything into clear groups so you can find the right tool quickly. If you're drawing price-based guides, head to the Line tools. Use a trend line to connect key highs or lows and visualize direction. Just click the tool, then click and drag on the chart to draw. For precise levels, horizontal and vertical lines help you mark support, resistance, or time-based events. Channels let you bracket price action with parallel lines, great for identifying ranges. Auto support, resistance, can scan and plot common turning points for you, while average price lines place a straight line at a computed average, giving you a steady reference across the chart. After drawing, you can usually adjust the endpoints by dragging the handles and tweak color or thickness in the settings so your lines stand out. For comments and labels, switch to the text tools. Choose Notes to add simple text anywhere on the chart. Click where you want the text, type your message, and then position it exactly where it adds the most context. If you want a call-out that points to a candle or bar, use a call-out box. It's ideal for explaining why a level or pattern matters. Make your text legible by choosing a readable size and contrasting color against the chart background. When you need visual emphasis, the shape tools are your friend. Rectangles highlight consolidation zones, ellipses circle areas of interest, triangles can indicate chart patterns, and arrows draw attention to specific bars or levels. Click the shape you need, then click and drag to size it on the chart. You can resize or move shapes after placing them to fine-tune your layout. For deeper analysis, explore the line study tools. Fibonacci retracements, fans, arcs, and time zones help map potential reaction areas. Cycle lines or circles visualize periodicity. Regression channels and pitchforks reveal trend structure and mean reversion. XABCD harmonic patterns outline advanced pattern frameworks, and speed resistance lines offer dynamic support and resistance. Select the study, click at your start point, and drag to your end point. Anchor thoughtfully to the highs and lows that define your move for best results. That's it. Open the panel, pick the right tool, click and drag and refine. With practice, your annotations will make every chart clearer and more actionable.